ready to supercharge your project management and keep track of every detail. Let's dive into how to create tasks in Clockify. First, make sure you're logged into your Clockify account. Then, on the left sidebar, click on the Projects tab. This will take you to a list of all your current projects. Now, either select an existing project to which you want to add a task, or create a new project by clicking on the New Project button in the top right corner. Let's say we're adding a task to our website redesign project. Once inside your chosen project, you'll see the task list if it's empty, or if you just want to add another task, click on the Add Task button. A new field will appear, prompting you to name your task. Be specific and descriptive. For example, you might type Design Homepage Mockups. After naming your task, click on the task to expand it. Here you can add a detailed description. A good description helps clarify the task's purpose and scope. You have an option to make a task billable and assign it to an employee or group of employees. And that's it. You've successfully created a task in Clockify, assigned it to a project, and added a useful description. This setup will help you accurately track your time and keep your projects organized. Be sure to subscribe for more Clockify tips and tricks.